in this video, I'm gonna show you how to check your login activity on Instagram. Let's get started. So first, I'll open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then go to menu by clicking the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. So choose Settings and Privacy. And then from here, go to Account Center. And then choose Password and Security. So to check your login activity, just click where you're logged in and choose your Instagram account. And once you do that, you will be directed to your account login activity. So you can see here the devices where your Instagram account is currently logged in.